Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ConjureAI token. Ticker symbol is CNJR. Now this token just came out under 24 hours ago and has a $63.1 million 24-hour trade volume. Pretty crazy. This token's up 11,717% right now. We're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ConjureAI is a revolutionary development platform that leverages advanced AI agents to streamline the creation of web applications and games. With Conjure, developers can describe their vision in natural language and watch as their artificial intelligence agents transforms it into a functional code. So their webpage, if you're looking for it, is at ConjureAI.io. Over there, you can find documentation, a link to pump.fun, Twitter, GitHub, the Agent Creations Vault, the AI Agents Library, and they have a... you can find this token on SoulScan. You can find the chart on BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. They're actually trending at number 14 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. Very popular project. Came out 18 hours, 58 minutes ago. That's when the pair was created on RAYDIUM. Right now, they have 10,448 holders, 5 different liquidity providers for RAYDIUM. They've had 152,488 transactions today. They're up over 11,300%, over $63 million in 24-hour trading volume. Token price right now is about 1.26 cents per token. Market cap, $12.9 million. And they have $645,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to Dex Screener, 99.8% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, this token here says that, well, they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary. Right now, the total current supply, 999,946,314 tokens. And there is 6 decimal places on this token. And as I mentioned earlier, this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana tokens. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could get a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Soulflare wallet, or Phantom wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Sol for the ConjureAI token. Now, their Twitter is brand new, just joined January 2025, has a link to their webpage right there, contract address right there at ConjureAI, 28 tweets, almost 5,000 Twitter followers so far, so they're off to a great start here. Now, Conjure is built on the principle that development should be more intuitive and accessible, and our platform features intelligent AI agents, so specialized agents for web and game development, real-time preview, see your changes instantly as they are implemented, advanced monitoring, so comprehensive metrics and performance tracking, multiple Multiple development modes, so support for both web applications and games. Now the current agents, it says they have the web development agent named Neo Blackwood. The primary web development agent specializes in creating modern, responsive web applications. So Neo excels in multi-page application architecture, front-end frameworks and animations, UI, UX implementation, performance optimization. We also have the game development agent, which is named Dave Bitmap Wilson. It says our game development specialist focuses on creating engaging browser-based games with core game mechanics implementation, physics systems, performance optimization, and interactive elements. Now, it says here they have the architecture overview, which is of the Conjure project, and it says here they combine Next.js, Node.js, and specialized AI agents to create a modern, flexible, and highly scalable platform. It automates the code generation process and seamlessly integrates back-end, front-end, and deployment logic. The goals: rapid iteration and AI-driven generation, modular, maintainable structure, high performance, and efficient resource usage. So they go over the whole components of what they do and things like that. We don't need to go over that, but it says here the data flow involves user requests, AI agent processing, API services, front-end rendering, and deployment. So the agents, Conjure uses specialized AI agents to handle various aspects of software development lifecycle. Each agent is fine-tuned for specific tasks, ensuring high productivity and optimal code quality. The agent types, like the web app agent, the role of that focuses on modern web application development, front end and back end, and the common tasks include setting up React components and pages, managing server routes with Node.js and Express, generating Tailwind CSS utilities for styling, rapid prototyping and responsive UIs, creating RESTful APIs, integrating authentic, and then we have the game dev agent, and the role and common tasks would be gaming features such as physics, rendering, real-time interaction, updating custom game logic, handling asset management, optimizing frames per second, advanced game mechanics, integrating 2D, 3D rendering pipelines, and prototyping gameplay loops quickly. You can learn about how they interact. There's a walkthrough as well, and you can find all this at ConjureAI.gitbook.io is the full document section. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.